But yeah, what that really is this, which is really our nature. And that's really the key, to understand that we all have a nature. And it is out of the love in our hearts that we can accept each other. We can learn to love each other for who we are. And love is not, which nowadays has become a matter of we are looking for love and looking for people who live up to our expectations of them. We projecting our own standards onto others, so to speak, but that's not really love. Because love is a learning about each other, really appreciating each other for who we are, and getting to know the nature of another person, to really connect with that nature, learn to become more natural in the way we think, in the way we become aware. First of all, that's really where it begins. Become aware of ourselves, become aware of our nature, become aware of, well, who am I? Because the way we have been conditioned to function in this world as consumers and producers, this is not who we are. Deep down, beyond that, we are this. We are connected to everything. There is no separation. There is no other. I am you and you are me. And that goes for everyone in this world. And the terrible things that are happening in your life, the difficult things in your life, just like the war in this world, the starvation in this world, the suffering of this world, the injustice of this world, is here to remind us of that, of this, that actually we do not need to struggle, that we do not need to fight, but we had to up until this point in order for us to realize that we are free. And so in order to create a better world, to be at peace, it begins with this awareness that there is no enemy outside, there is nobody to fight. And again, those who are there who want to fight us, they are just in their own consciousness, which we cannot change. That's actually where it begins, when we realize, when we come to terms with and understand the difference between what we can and what we cannot change. To really put that into practice is very, very difficult, actually the most difficult things in life, but also the most important thing in life. Actually, this is the missing link, and that is really what Realize to Actualize draws attention to here. And also there's a German YouTube channel, and also there's a website which is in German, but also in English, so you can also take a look at that, keinding.com. And of course there's realizetoactualize.com, which is in English and in German. I would give you a few ideas, to get you started on that, to think about that for yourself, because that's really where it begins. With our thoughts, we create our world. It's something that we never learned as we were programmed to serve the system. I believe it's time for a new system to arise that cannot be the result of a revolution where we fight against the government and where we oppose our oppressors, because we cannot win the war on this level. Actually, there is no war. And as we realize that, we can come to terms with how things are, we can make peace from within ourselves, and then we can allow for a new system to arise from within ourselves that is a result of human collaboration and synergy. And that starts in your immediate environment, especially with the people who up until this point you find very irritating and difficult in your life. We all have those individuals, people we are at war with, people we argue with. There is no winning an argument like there is no winning a war. So I encourage you, and these videos are meant as an encouragement to make peace with what is. And focus on instead, in order to, that's the only way, only if you make peace with what is, with what ultimately cannot be changed, only then can you focus on developing yourself, on working on yourself. And that's an idea I became interested in the mid-90s, shortly after I moved from Germany, where I'm now, into America, where self-development, self-improvement is somewhat of an industry. But there it is more a matter of I develop myself in order to develop certain qualities so I will be successful, so I get what I want for myself. Which I think is also a part of the problem, because in this world everybody wants something through which we are really divided. But what is really important for us to develop is really that self which connects us to all, which is our real nature, our authentic nature, which is this, the symbol of. Then we understand, when we are more natural, that there's no war to be fought, that there's no need to struggle, that life is to be experienced. Life is a school where we get to learn, or rather remember about who we are, to learn from and with one another, to really get to know other people, through which we can get to know ourselves.